In this video, we will learn how to use the Fireline Handbook, Appendix B, to determine the probability of ignition. Probability of ignition is a measure of the chances that a hot glowing ember, if it crosses the fire line and finds a receptive fuel bed, that it will start a spot fire. A receptive fuel bed means continuous fine dead fuels that are available to burn. In order to find probability of ignition, you will need three things: your fine dead fuel moisture, your dry bulb temperature, and whether or not the fuel bed is shaded. To determine this, we will be using the Appendix B, Table 12. This is found on page B55. This is Table 12. You can see on the top, you have a row for your fine dead fuel moisture percentages. On the left-hand side, you have two columns, one for shaded fuels, one for unshaded. This is where you find your dry bulb temperatures. Let's try this example. Say you have a fine dead fuel moisture of 5%. Your dry bulb temperature is 85 degrees, and your fuel bed is unshaded. Because our fuel bed is unshaded, we will be using the top half of the table. We find our fine dead fuel moisture of 5 and our temperature, which is in the 80 to 89 degree range. This gives us a probability of ignition of 70%. Let's try this one more time. Now let's say our fuel bed is shaded. If our fuel bed is shaded, our fine dead fuel moisture is likely a little bit higher, and our temperature is probably lower. We'll need to make some adjustments. We'll go to the bottom half of the table, and let's say our fine dead fuel moisture is now 6. Our temperature probably dropped a little as well, so we're going to use the 70 to 79 degree row. This gives us a probability of ignition in the shade of 50%. Pretty simple. Now we'll do this in the group exercises.